Hey everybody, Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. Today I'm going to do a review. I've been hearing things about this new burger at McDonald's and I'm going to go try it. It's called the Travis Scott burger. So, I don't know who Travis Scott is and I don't know much about the burger, but we're going to go in, we're going to order it, and I'll sit down and I'll taste it and I'll tell you what I think of it. Stay tuned.
Regulators, mount up.
Yeah, I want to try the Travis Scott burger.
The meal?
Yes, please, with a Dr. Pepper.
Okay.
And that should be everything.
Okay, here to look first on the screen, 965, thank you.
Thank you. $9.65 out of 10, please. It says tangy sauce. We'll have to see what this tangy sauce is. Out of 10. All right, thank you. Get so many stinking receipts. Does that mean I eat out too much? Might. Oh, we have two cars in front of us that are waiting on orders. They're getting pretty tight. Alrighty, thank you. Of course, you know, any good McDonald's person would get fries. So it's a tangy barbecue sauce. Travis Scott burger. Let's see if it says the Travis Scott. Let's build our little table here. Take a look at this. All right. So it definitely has a bun. Let's see, where are we at? And it's got onions, pickles, it's got some kind of sauce, probably more of that barbecue sauce. Yeah. Pickles, cheese, lettuce, burger, beef, and then more cheese underneath, it looks like. Yeah. So that's the basics. A lot of lettuce, a lot of onions. There you can see it's got pickles and bacon and onions and some kind of sauce. We'll just take a quick bite of it. Try to get all that goodness in one bite. It's not bad. Definitely taste the bacon, the onions, a little bit of the sauce. Maybe that's why they give you more. I really don't taste it, so we'll put some more on. First we'll have to try it on a fry, see what that tastes like. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm a fan of that barbecue sauce. But, hey. Alright. I am a fan that it's a double cheese, top and bottom. So I put a lot more of that sauce on there. A lot more of that sauce mainly on the bun here. Let's take another bite, see if that changes it. Fresh pot with some Dr. Pepper. I'm not a fan of that barbecue sauce. It's not spicy, it's not sweet. It's vinegar based. It really tastes that tangy, you know, that kind of that vinegar taste. But that's what I'm picking up. It's not bad, but I do like McDonald's onions, especially on the Big Mac. Just something about them. And their fries. Alright. Their fries, I mean, they're very good. I don't know what McDonald's does to their fries, but to me, they're some of the best fries out there. Alright. Let me finish eating these and I'll give you my thoughts. Try the barbecue sauce again on the fry. Cleanse my palate first. Okay, so we just tried the Travis Scott burger at McDonald's. And I'll admit to you all, must be me being old or something. I had no clue who Travis Scott was. I thought he was a country singer, actually. So I looked him up, and he's a rapper from the Houston area. And I guess he had made a comment about growing up, the quarter pounder meal was his favorite from McDonald's. So I guess they kind of collaborated, Travis Scott and McDonald's, and they renamed the quarter pounder the Travis Scott burger. And it's just a temporary thing. I guess here in October they're not going to carry it anymore. It'll go back to the quarter pounder. What they did is they added bacon to it, and that's what I thought when I was taking bites of it. I was like, in my mind I was like, this is a lot like the quarter pounder, except there's bacon on it. And that's really all they changed. They just added bacon. They added a little bit of that barbecue sauce to it too. And I have to tell you, I'm not a fan of that barbecue sauce. I don't know if all the McDonald's are giving out that tangy barbecue sauce to go along with it, but it's not something I like. It's not something that I like. Other people may like it. I don't like it. The burger itself, well, it was a quarter pounder with bacon. And if you like bacon, then you're gonna like it. It was all right. I prefer the original quarter pounder with ketchup on it between these two. So yeah, that's what it is. It's just for a limited amount of time, and it's basically the quarter pounder. It's replacing the quarter pounder with cheese. I think you can still get the quarter pounder. I'm not sure. I didn't look at the menu close enough. But right now it's the quarter pounder with cheese, and they added bacon, and they call it and barbecue sauce, and they're calling it the Travis Scott burger. So that is that. My personal feelings, I don't think it'll last. I think we'll go back to the original quarter pounder. It's a lot like, when Coca-Cola changed up their recipe and everybody kind of complained, so they went back to their original recipe. And that's the same way McDonald's is. It's funny how we, especially Americans, I would say, are very traditional when it comes to our junk food and sodas. We don't like changes. Some are good, but most of the time, no, keep that original. Just like, you know, we wish, honestly, Big Macs were as big as they used to be. That's probably why we're all big people now. Anyhow, that is my review of the new Travis Scott burger at McDonald's. I guess it's only a limited time. There's about a week left at this time, and today's September 29th, I think. So I think I saw somewhere that they're going to end it like first week in October sometime. So get out there and try it. Let me know what you think of it. Thanks again for watching. Until next time, grill on, my friends.